Okay students, so in this video we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of like fractions. So I already told you about like fractions, the fractions in which the denominators are same. So let's see some examples. So in the first example, what we have to do, we have to add 12 upon 5 with 3 upon 5. So because they are like fractions, so the denominator will be same, that is 5 only, and then we have to add numerators only. Here we have the numerator 12 and here we have 3. So 12 plus 3 is 15 upon 5, that is equal to 3. Why it is 3? Because in 15 upon 5 we have a common factor, and the common factor is what? 5. So we will divide both numerator and denominator by 5, then we will get 3. 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. So that's why the answer is 3. You can write it as 3 upon 1 also, both are correct. Okay. Now next example. So here we have to add 3. Which type of fraction is this? 3 like fraction. Okay. So 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 3. Again, as I told you, in case of like fraction, the denominator is just going to be same. We don't have to do anything. So the LCM is 3. Then we have to add only the numerator. 1 plus 2 plus 5. So that will be equal to 8. So 8 upon 3, because this is which type of fraction? This is improper fraction. So what we have to do? We have to change this in mixed fraction. We have to divide the numerator by the denominator. Then the quotient will be 2 and the remainder will be 2 and the denominator will be in its own place. Fine. So now next. Here we have to subtract two proper fraction. In case of subtraction also same thing is going to happen. What we have to do? We have to subtract only the numerator and denominator is going to be same. So because the denominator is 7, so here we have the denominator 7. Then in numerator we have to subtract the numerators. 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, that is 2 upon 7. Next we have 3 numbers, that is 3 like fractions, but in one case we have to add, but in the second place we have to subtract. Because this is like, so denominator is going to be same, that is 7 only, and we have to first add 12 plus 6 according to BODMAS, and then we have to subtract minus 3 from it. So 12 plus 6 minus 3 is equal to 18 minus 3, and 18 minus 3 is equal to 15 upon 7. Because again this is improper, so we have to change this in what? Mixed fraction. So when we had divided 15 by 7, the quotient is 2, the remainder is 1, and the denominator is as it is. So our answer is 2, 1 upon 7. Okay. Now let's see the addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Here you can see we have fractions, but it has different denominators. Here we have denominator 3 and here we have denominator 4. So in case of unlike fraction, what we have to do? We have to first take the LCM of denominators. So the denominator is 3 and 4, so we have to take LCM of that. So the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12, because they are co-prime. So the LCM is going to be just their product. So 3 4s are 12. Now what we have to do? Take the LCM is 12. So 12 will come in the place of denominator. Then because we have to multiply 3 by 4 to make it 12. So that's why we have to multiply the numerator also by 4. 3 4s are 12. So that's why 1 4s are 4. And then here we will see 4. How many times will be 12? 4 3s are. So that's why we have to multiply numerator also by 3. So 2 3s are 6. Now we have to add 4 plus 6 upon 12. So we will get 10 upon 12. We have the common factor 2. So we will divide both numerator as well as denominator by 2. Then the answer is going to be 5 upon 6. So hence we have seen that in this way, when we will add two improper fraction, 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 4, we will get answer 5 upon 6. Okay. Next, let's see the second example. So here you can see again we have to add two improper fraction, not improper, two unlike fractions. So here we have 5 plus 3 upon 8. Here we have a whole number and here we have a fraction. So when we have to add two proper fraction, we can write it as 5 1 upon 1 plus 3 upon 8. Again we have to take the LCM. So LCM of 1 and 8 is 8 only. Then again in the same way, this LCM will come in the place of denominator. Because 1 8s are 8, so that's why we have to multiply the numerator also by 8. 5 8s are 8 plus, then 8 1s are, so that's why here 3 1s are. Okay. Then we have 5 8s are 40 plus 3 1s are 3. So 40 plus 3 is 43 upon 8. Because again this is improper, so what we have to do, we have to change this in mixed fraction. So 8 5s are 40 plus 3, that is 43 upon 8. So the answer is 5 3 upon 8. Okay. Next is 1 minus 7 upon 11. So here what we have to do, we have to subtract a proper fraction from a whole number. So again we have to take LCM. So here we cannot see any denominator, so we can write it as 1 upon 1. So understood. So here 1 is hidden. So LCM of 1 and 11 is 11. Then again in the place of denominator what will come? LCM will come. So 1 11s are 11, so that's why we have to multiply numerator again with 11. Then minus 11 1s are 11, so that's why 7 1s are. To make 11 only, we have to multiply it by 1. So that's why we have to multiply numerator also by the same number, that is 7 1s are 7. So now we have 11 minus 7 upon 11. So that is equal to 4 upon 11. So 1 minus 7 upon 11 is equal to 4 upon 11. Okay. Next we have mixed fraction. So if we have mixed fraction and we have to add or subtract it, the first thing what we have to do is we have to change that fraction in improper one. So I told you how to convert the mixed fraction in improper. First we have to multiply this denominator by the natural number, then we have to add the numerator. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 2 plus 7 8s are 56 plus 5, that is 61 upon 8. Again we have improper fractions and we have to add, so we have to take LCM of the denominators. So 2 and 8. So the LCM of 2 and 8 is what? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is 8. Okay. So here again in the place of denominator what will come? Their LCM. Now 2 4 times is 8, so that's why 7 multiplied by 4 plus 8, how many times will be 8? Only one time. So that's why 61 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7 4s are 28 plus 61 1s are 61 upon 8. Okay. So 28 plus 61 will be equal to 89 upon 8. Because again this is improper, so what we have to do, we always have to write answer in mixed. So 11 1 upon 8. So the addition of these two in mixed fraction will give us 11 1 upon 8. Let's see the next one. So next one is 4 1 upon 6 minus 3 2 upon 9. Again we have mixed fraction, we have to change this in improper one. So 25 upon 6 minus 29 upon 9. After changing this in improper, we will get 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25 upon 6 minus 9 3s are 27 plus 2 29 upon 9. Again we have to take the LCM of their denominators. So the LCM of 6 and 9, we will get 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 18. Okay. So as the LCM is 18, so 6 3 times is 18, so that's why we have to multiply numerator 25 also by 3. Then we have the minus sign. 9 2 times is 18, so that's why 29 multiplied by 2. Then 25 3s are 75 minus 29 2s are 58 upon 18. When we will subtract 58 from 75, we will get 17 upon 18 is the answer. Because this is a proper fraction, so no need to do anything with it. The answer is 17 upon 18. Done. Now the last example. Here we have to add 3 proper fraction. You can see 1 upon 3, 5 upon 6, 7 upon 9. We have to add all these 3 proper fractions. So in this case also what we have to do, we have to just take the LCM of their denominators. 3, 6 and 9. So here I have taken. So the LCM is of 3, 6 and 9 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 18. Now we have the LCM 18, so that's why in place of denominator the LCM will come. Now we have to see how many times of 3 will be 18. So 3 6 are 18. So that's why we have to multiply this one also with 6. Then plus. Then 6 how many times will be 18? 6 3 times will be 18. So that's why 5 multiplied by 3. Again plus addition sign. Then 9 how many times will be 18? 9 2 times will be 18. So that's why we have to multiply numerator also with 2. That is 7 multiplied by 2. Then what we have to do? We have simply have to multiply, and then we have to add 1 6 are 6 plus 5 3 are 15 plus 7 2 are 14 upon 18. Okay. So next let's add these numbers. So 6 plus 15 plus 14 will give us 35. So 35 upon 18, which type of fraction we have to see? Is this proper? No. This is improper fraction. So we have to change the improper fraction in mixed one. So we have to divide numerator by denominator. So we will get 18 in the place of denominator, 1 in the place of natural number, and 17 in the place of numerator. Hence the answer is 117 upon 18. So when we will add these three proper fraction, the answer is going to be 117 upon 18. Understood? Okay.